Alright, so this video is to test out a theory. I have my Lord of the Rings green deck and this werewolf deck. It seems like on Arena I just can't lose with this deck. And I just can't win with this one, but yet my tabletop experience is the exact opposite. So but that's just my feeling. So this is going to be a video kind of testing that theory out. Okay, we got 3 lands, a couple fancy lands, some relatively low drops. Okay, let's try it. Let's try and keep these 7. It's not a bad hand. Maybe not a great hand, but none of these come in tapped, so let's scry right off the bat. I'm going to risk it and put the land at the bottom and hope for another low-level creature. A 1/1. I drew another land anyway, so look at that. Get the 1/1 out there. Oh, he's got so many low-level drops. No blocks, I'll take 2. Alright. Forest. Now we do the 4/2 or the 2/2 that puts counters. Let's get the 4/2 out there first and then get the counters out. No attacks. Might have to sacrifice the 1/1 on him swinging at me this time. Oh, fuck. Can't attack or block. Dude, gay. 1 blocker. Okay. Well, let's get the land out there. We need something with Death Touch. And now let's get the counters out there and give them to the Death Touch, I guess. What say you? Oh, of course he does. Of course he does. He has another one, why wouldn't he? Land! How about a 4/5 with trample? Now the ring is going to tempt me. I will choose him as my ring bearer. He'll definitely block it. It would make my Death Touch a 3/3. But I think I want to keep what I have. Oh, he did it to my Death Touch. Dude, he has... Oh my god. Gay. Coming with a 3/3 and he's tapped. Okay, I'm gonna block him with the 4/5. Let's see if he has a trick up his sleeve. He doesn't. Okay. Well, don't really know if that's gonna happen. Whenever Quick Beam, Upstart, End, or another Tree Folk enters the battlefield under your control, up to 2 target creatures get +2/+2 and gain trample until end of turn. Until end of turn kind of sucks, but I can make him a 4/4 and him a 4/4. And then they have counters on him right now, so if I swing with him, they should get more. Let's just swing and see what happens. Food, but it didn't. It didn't. Shit. It was a gamble. Okay, I'm happy he's doing that. Is he swinging at me for lethal coming back? Is that why you let that happen? Dude, this bitch. Yep, he was swinging for lethal. That cocksucker. Oh, yeah. Couple things. Cool. There we go. Oh, yep. Yeah, okay. Ow. It was, in fact, not a good game. Oh, that was all on my turn. It's his turn now. 6, that's 12. We got 20. That was before the 7. Whoa. Oh. Alright. I think that's enough of that. McNugget! Why wouldn't you just name yourself McNuggets? You were so close. God damn you. That was a mistake. I didn't draw land, so. Haste! I believe this is where we bid you adieu. That was perfect fucking timing. Fuck that guy. And his ability will trigger, destroying him and giving me back my blossom-clad werewolf, you faggot! Did you want to concede now? Okay. That's the second time tonight I fucking timed that perfectly. God damn it. Why do I win with this deck so much on Arena? And he concedes. Once again, the wolves striking fear in the heart of the enemy. Ooh, 2 lands, a lot of high-level stuff. We're gonna go in. 2 lands and some lower-level stuff. So we'll keep. Sorry, Tovalor. I'm really sorry, dude. We do have a turn 1 play, and we don't have a turn 2 play, so we go Snarling Wolf. Next turn, we'll use Rugged Highlands, and get 1 health. Meh. Highlands. And hit you for 1. Poke. Do you like those card sleeves? Those are dope. What's that? Moon Dancer. Ah, so you're gonna gain life. Scribe. Fuck you. We'll go Racer's Ring. Kessig Naturalist. Get the Day-Night mechanic rolling. He has a 2/2 to block. So we will not attack. Okay. Oh, that means I can't flash this back. Oh, gay. Let's take the haste. What say you? Doesn't matter because I don't have anything else to spend. 1 mana is not enough. He'll block my 1/1 with his 1/3, killing my Snarling Wolves. Take the rest. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hit an unnatural Moonrise. Oh, maybe not. I have 3 mana. Fuck, I need 4. Because then I could play Howling Moon and this. Let's save this and get Howling Moon out. At the beginning of combat on your turn, target creature you control gets +2 and gains trample and haste until end of turn. We're going to give that to the 3/3. And then we're going to give this at the beginning of combat on your turn. Target wolf or werewolf you control gets +2/+2. We're going to give that to him. 6/7 and a 5/3. Oh, Oh, I can get myself a red! Let's go! Now I play Moonrager Slash and hit him for 3. I just fucking won. Let's fucking go. God damn it, I can't lose with this deck.